Gonna teach you how to charge Shark Robot Vacuum. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Shark Robot Vacuum, it's important to always charge it so it can perform the most amount of actions without being interrupted. It's good to maintain its battery levels and making sure that it is never drained out for too long or big periods of times. So first, locate the charging dock. You will have to place this on a flat surface. You can manage the battery through the app if you prefer, and you can see it here whenever it is time to charge. So after you acquire the charging dock, place it on a flat, level surface, ideally against the wall in an open area with a strong Wi-Fi signal. If your model connects to Wi-Fi, of course. Ensure that there is enough clear space around the dock, so usually 3 feet on each side and 5 feet in front, so the robot will be able to easily navigate towards it. Now plug in the dock, make sure that it is plugged into a wall outlet and that it is receiving power. If you notice that it is not receiving power, then you will most likely have to change the cable that you are using or the outlet. Power on the robot and place it within the dock. It should automatically move within the dock after it is done cleaning. However, if you want to manually place it here, just make sure that these contacts are properly touching. You might have to clean them if you notice that it doesn't start charging right away, but it's as simple as positioning the robot on the dock like this. When you position it like this, some sort of LED indicator will change to tell you that it is now being charged, and you can also look at the LEDs on the robot itself. Usually, they will display a battery icon to tell you that they are now charging. When the robot is charging, you will see the indicator lights, and you should always allow sufficient charging time. If it still does not work, double check if the contacts are properly clean and actually touching the contacts on the deck. And besides this, you can perform a factory reset to make sure that it charges properly. It should automatically charge itself once it is done cleaning, so it will make its way into the deck and charge itself. But if it doesn't, you will need to do manual input by placing it there. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge Shark Robot Vacuum. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.